how to recover data after doing factory reset. So hi everybody, welcome back. You may follow up the solutions in order to do so. So first method you can apply up is head over to your settings, your main devices settings, and from here scroll down. And here look out for the option of accounts and backup from the options and tap on it. Now once tapped on it here, you can look out for this restore data option and tap on it. And from here, you can just go ahead and select up the data that you would like to restore, like choose from this phone, tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to do so. Or what you can do is, method number 2 is within your settings, open up your settings and scroll down again and look for this option of Google and tap on it. And then once tapped on Google, here you can look out for all services and scroll down from the given options. And here also we have this backup and restore option. You can just go ahead and look out for restore if you have already backed up. Tap on it, confirm it, restore all applications and everything that you backed up in your Google account. And that should also help you back up after your factory reset is done onto your device. So this is it. You may follow the solutions in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.